In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider to your Wix website. Whether you're enhancing your site's visual appeal or showcasing a series of images, this step-by-step guide will simplify the process for you. So let's dive right in. Begin by heading into your Wix website editor. This is your main workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look for the Add Elements option. This button is your gateway to all the different features you can add to your site, from text to images, and in our case, sliders. Next, you'll want to select Gallery from the menu. Galleries in Wix are a powerful feature and include various ways to display multiple images or content pieces in a stylish manner. Once you've clicked on Gallery, you'll see an array of styles. For our focus today, find the Slider Galleries option. These are perfect for creating a seamless experience for visitors, allowing them to flip through images at their own pace. With the array of sliders before you, it's time to make a selection. Choose a slider that matches the design and theme of your website. Each option provides a unique way of displaying your images, so take a moment to explore the styles and find one that complements your content. After selecting a slider, click on Change Images. This is where you'll start personalizing the slider with your own content. Here you can add, remove, and rearrange the images to perfectly fit your narrative. Once you understand the layout of your slider, head over to the Add Images button to start populating it with visual content. When adding images, Wix offers two convenient ways. First, you can select Media from Wix to browse through a library of professional, high-quality images if you're not using your own. Alternatively, if you have specific images in mind, click on Upload Media to bring your own files into the mix. This allows for a truly unique and personalized touch. Once your images are ready, choose one and hit Add to Gallery. Repeat this for all images you wish to include. You'll see them appearing in your slider as you go along. After you've populated your gallery, simply click Done to finalize this part of the process. Now, it's time for some creativity. Hit the Design button to access options that let you adjust how your slider appears. This can include tweaking the layout and fine-tuning elements to better fit your overall site aesthetic. And for added flair, proceed to the Animation and Effects section, where you can make your slider transitions more dynamic, catching your visitors' eyes. By following these steps, you'll not only have added a slider to your Wix site, but also customized it to suit your brand's personality. Take a moment to preview your site and ensure everything looks just the way you envisioned it. We hope you find this guide helpful and are excited to see the engaging sliders you'll create. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on enhancing your Wix website.